Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up Zedge with your Facebook account. It's quite easy, so do these and you can sign up with your Facebook account. Go to zedge.net in any of your browser, click on Access with the web browser, and then go to your profile, click on the profile. It will lead you to this page. Now, click on Continue with Facebook. It will take some time and it will lead you to the authentication page. After that, you can click on Continue as your Facebook username and then you will be signed up with your Facebook ID. There you go. You have just signed up in Zedge using your Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.